This is Science Educational Vlog.
Heat versus temperature. They are not the same.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about something people usually confuse.
Heat and temperature.
They sound similar, right? But in the molecular level, they are totally different. Let's break it down in the simplest way as possible. Why can a bathtub full of warm water contain more heat than a cup of boiling water? Sounds impossible, right? Let's break down in the molecular level and understand the difference between heat and temperature. First, we have the temperature. Temperature measures how fast the molecules move. Everything around us made of tiny particles called the molecules. Molecules are always moving. The faster they move, the higher the temperature.
In cold temperature, the movement of the molecules is correct. Slow. How about in hot temperature? The movement of the molecules is correct. Fast.
Temperature tells us the average kinetic energy of the molecules. Kinetic energy simply means the energy of motion. Next we have heat. Heat is the transfer of thermal energy between objects. Heat is not how hot something is. Heat is the energy moving from hotter object to colder object.
Thermal equilibrium occurs when two objects with a different temperature come into contact and exchange heat until they reach the same temperature.
Remember their difference. Temperature is the speed of molecules, and the heat is the total energy transferred. To deepen your understanding, I have here the side-by-side comparison of heat and temperature.
Temperature measures how fast molecules move. Faster molecular motion means higher temperature. Heat, on the other hand, is the transfer of energy from hotter object to a colder object. Temperature depends on average kinetic energy of molecules. So basically, kinetic energy means energy of motion. Then, heat depends on the amount of matter and total energy being transferred. Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius or Kelvin, while heat is measured in joules because it's a form of energy. Temperature answers the question, how hot is something? While heat answers, how much energy is moving.
Example, a cup of boiling water has high temperature because its molecules move faster. But in a bathtub of warm water has high total heat because it has many more molecules. To wrap things up, in the molecular level, heat is the transfer of energy between molecules, while temperature is how fast the molecules move. They're connected, but totally not the same thing. So here's my challenge for you. Next time, if you step outside and feel the intense heat, ask yourself, what is happening to the molecules around me and how heat being transferred to my body? Science isn't just textbook. It is happening around us every single day. Stay hydrated, stay cool, and thanks for watching!